Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down one of the most popular and powerful free Office suites in the world, WPS Office. We'll explore what it is, its history, key features, advantages, disadvantages, and ultimately, help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is WPS Office? It's a lightweight, fast, and highly compatible Office suite developed by the software company Kingsoft. The name WPS originally stood for its three core applications: Writer, Presentation, and Spreadsheets. Think of WPS Writer as an alternative to Microsoft Word, WPS Spreadsheet as a stand-in for Excel, and WPS Presentation as a substitute for PowerPoint. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes powerful WPS PDF tools that let you read, edit, convert, and even compress PDF files. One of its biggest draws is its incredible availability. You can get WPS Office on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and even use it directly on the web. This makes it one of the most platform-friendly Office tools you can find today. Now let's take a quick journey through its surprisingly long history. It all began way back in 1988. WPS started as a word processor built for the DOS operating system. Back then, it was a major competitor to the early versions of Microsoft Word, especially in the Chinese market. Fast forward to 2005, which marked the birth of the WPS Office suite as we know it. Kingsoft expanded the single word processor into a full Office package, adding spreadsheets and presentations. This was the moment WPS became a true, direct competitor to Microsoft Office. Between 2016 and 2020, WPS Office began its global expansion. The software quickly gained popularity around the world, largely because it was free, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use. More recently, from 2021 onwards, the focus has shifted to the cloud, mobile platforms, and AI. WPS has added features like cloud syncing, a massive library of online templates, comprehensive PDF editing, and other advanced tools. The latest versions even include AI-powered writing assistants, auto-formatting suggestions, and much smoother cross-device syncing. Today, WPS Office boasts hundreds of millions of users worldwide, with a particularly strong presence in Asia, Africa, and other emerging markets. So, with all that history, what features does WPS Office actually offer today? First and foremost, you get the full Office suite: Writer, Spreadsheets, and Presentation. All the essentials are covered. Second, and this is a big one, is its high compatibility with Microsoft Office. You can open, edit, and save files in formats like .docx, .zlex, and pptx, and in most cases, the formatting stays perfectly intact. Third are the built-in PDF tools, which are one of its biggest strengths. You can do things like convert PDFs to Word documents, merge multiple PDFs into one, split them apart, sign documents digitally, and annotate pages all within the same application. Another great feature is the tabbed interface. Instead of having multiple windows open for different documents, you can manage them all in one window, just like tabs in a web browser. It's clean and efficient. Of course, there's the multi-device support, allowing you to seamlessly use the same files across your computer, phone, and the web. WPS also provides thousands of free templates for everything from resumes and reports to presentations, posters, and marketing materials. To tie it all together, you get cloud storage with WPS Cloud, which lets you store your files online and sync them automatically between all your devices. Finally, it's incredibly lightweight and fast. It uses far less memory and system resources than Microsoft Office, making it a perfect choice for older or lower-spec computers. Now let's talk about the pros, the biggest advantages of using WPS Office. The number one benefit is that it's free to use. The vast majority of features come at absolutely no cost. While there are premium upgrades available, they aren't necessary for most basic day-to-day work. Second is its excellent compatibility with Microsoft Office files, being able to confidently share documents with people using Word, Excel, or PowerPoint is a huge plus. Third are those fantastic PDF tools. Many of the PDF features that other software companies charge for, like converting and merging, are free here. Fourth, its cross-platform availability is a game changer, whether you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, or iOS. It just works. You can start a document on your laptop and finish it on your phone. Fifth, the user interface and templates are top-notch. It has a modern, clean design that's easy to navigate, and the templates look professional and beautiful. And finally, its low system requirements mean it delivers a smooth experience, even on older devices with just 2 or 4 gigabytes of RAM. Of course, no software is perfect, so let's be fair and look at the cons. The most common complaint by far is the presence of ads in the free version. You might see small banner ads or pop-ups when you're using certain tools or opening documents. It's a trade-off for the free service. Second, some advanced features are locked behind the premium paywall. Things like full PDF editing capabilities, OCR for extracting text from images, increased cloud storage limits, and access to the most exclusive templates all require a paid subscription. Third, some users have raised privacy concerns. Since the software is developed in China, there are sometimes questions about data collection, the security of its cloud storage, and its compliance with global privacy standards like GDPR. While there's no proven, widespread issue, it's a factor that some individuals and organizations need to consider. Fourth, while compatibility is generally great, you might run into occasional formatting issues with very complex Microsoft Office files that use niche features. And lastly, it's simply not as powerful as Microsoft Office for power users. Advanced Excel formulas, complex macros, and deep PowerPoint animation controls might not work exactly the same or may be missing altogether. So, what's the final verdict? Is WPS Office worth using? For most people, the answer is a resounding yes. It's an excellent choice if you want a fast, reliable, and feature-rich Office suite without paying the high price for Microsoft Office. It's especially great for students, small businesses, anyone doing everyday document work, people with older or lower-spec computers, and users who need powerful Office tools on their mobile devices. However, if your work requires the most advanced features of Microsoft Office, or if your organization has very strict data privacy and security policies, then sticking with MS Office might still be the better option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new about WPS Office, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it useful. See you in the next one.